Hi, this is Bobcat Vlog. Welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing on benefits of adding jujube berries to our diet. So watch till the end of this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Give your feedback in the comment section below and check out the description in the link below. Jujube berries are native to Southern Asia and are also known as burr in India. Normally, these small to medium-sized round fruits with a seed containing pit are rich red or purple when ripe and may appear slightly wrinkled. Different countries have different names for them, such as Chinese red dates, Korean dates, or Indian dates. They bloom on massive flowering bushes or trees in India in the spring. Because of their chewy texture and sweet flavor, they are frequently dried and used in candies and desserts. They are not only delicious to eat, but they also have numerous health benefits, both as food and as herbal medicine. It is used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat indigestion, burning sensations, fevers, and thirst. Jujube berries' nutritional value: antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties abound in jujube berries. They have a high riboflavin, thiamine, pectin, and vitamin C content. The flavonoids and bioflavonoids in jujube berries aid in the absorption of vitamin C, as well as improving and stimulating digestion, promoting blood circulation, and preventing allergies. They help with weight loss. Jujube fruits are high in protein and fiber and low in calories. When consumed, these berries help to meet nutritional requirements while also providing a sense of fullness. They help to lower glucose levels, which helps to prevent additional weight gain, particularly belly fat. For better sleep. In Chinese medicine, jujubes have traditionally been used to treat sleep disorders such as insomnia. Flavonoids, saponins, and polysaccharides are abundant in both the fruit and the seeds. Several experts have previously advocated for saponin as a natural sleep aid. Its sedative properties help to induce sleep by relaxing the entire nervous system. Chronic constipation relief. Dietary fiber acts as a laxative, making bowel movements more comfortable. It is a well-known treatment for inflammatory bowel disease that improves intestinal barrier function and activates the enzyme. Because of the presence of pectin, it also has antidiarrheal properties. Anxiety relief. Studies have shown that jujube has calming effects on the brain and nervous system. It also helps to alleviate anxiety. The sedative effects of jujube fruit or jujube oil extract are also known to affect hormonal levels and induce a calm, relaxed feeling in your mind and body. Blood pressure regulation. This fruit is an excellent therapy for maintaining normal blood pressure. It increases nitric oxide levels, which improves blood flow to the brain and, as a result, lowers blood pressure. Jujube fruits are also high in potassium and low in sodium. This aids in blood vessel dilation and blood pressure control. For anti-aging properties. The jujube fruit is a powerful anti-aging agent. Because this fruit is high in vitamin C, it helps to prevent wrinkles, melanin deposition, and pigmentation. Improving bone strength. Jujubes may also aid in bone strengthening. These fruits are high in calcium, phosphorus, and iron, all of which help to strengthen bones. Those suffering from osteoporosis or other bone-degrading conditions must consume sweet and tart fruit in order to reverse or manage the condition.